Hey DIY, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Delta tub or shower faucet that doesn't get hot enough. It's actually a very simple job, but if you've never done it before, it really helps to see it step by step. Step 1. Remove the handle cap. First thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and pry off the Delta logo cover on the handle. There's usually a small slot you can slip the screwdriver into. Just pop it out gently, and you'll see a screw in the center. Step 2. Remove the handle. Now grab a Phillips screwdriver, or drill and remove that center screw. Once the screw is out, the handle should slide right off. It's just a small screw, so don't lose it. You'll need it later when we put everything back together. Step 3. Adjust the temperature limit stop. With the handle removed, you'll see a small plastic piece that has a white top with a triangle on it. That's your temperature limit stop. You'll notice an arrow pointing counterclockwise toward hotter. This piece is connected with small gears, so to adjust it, you'll need to pull it out slightly using a screwdriver or your fingernail. Once it's loose, rotate it about 30 degrees to the left toward hot. Then push it back in so the gears lock in place. Step 4. Test the water. Now let's test the temperature before reassembling everything. Turn the water on and be careful, it might be much hotter now. If it feels good and still allows full cold range, you're done. Step 5. Reassemble the handle. Once you're happy with the temperature, reinstall the handle screw and snap the Delta cap back on. That's it, your Delta faucet is now properly adjusted. And that's how easy it is to fix a Delta faucet that isn't getting hot enough. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and check out my other DIY plumbing repair tutorials for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.